1,712 interstate migrant workers with license are employed in Manipur. Labour Department issued license from 2014. Local Fund Audit Directorate does not get cooperation from government offices and NGOs during audits. JCILP's continuous drive against illegal migrant workers expressed concern at government's lack of policy to check them. And fasting students protest in the middle of the road near Singjamai Bridge, traffic affected. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. State Labour Department began issuing license to interstate migrant workers employed by companies or contractors in the state from 2014. Speaking to media at the press conference organized by DIPR at Moirangkom, Labour Commissioner E. Tomba said 1,712 migrant workers were given license under the Regulation of Employment and Conditions of Service Act 1979. He also said the department will take stern action against child labour and appeal to people to inform the department if any child below 14 years is found employed in any building or construction work labourer.
Task force is complex immediate employment of integrated method working in Thailand. Task force money chamber of the key. Task force in a second Mr. Chandra Kumar lead contractor Asujamana integrated migrant women Asujamana Manipur Kumar promotion that like change the Yama Australia has a demand some level community task force to the activity to outcome.
Itomba also maintained that even though the Supreme Court has ordered implementation of the recommendations of Machitiai Wage Board for working journalists and newspaper employees, it is not yet implemented in Manipur. As per the instruction of the Supreme Court, 3 inspectors of the department monitored the media houses of the state and found that none of the media houses implemented the order. He also stated that the Labour Department issues an identity card to those who have worked for more than 10 years in media houses. However, there is no welfare scheme provided to the media fraternity.
Implement then implement out the agree with Rabara, wherever employees in the complain about late, have a one ever. Aduga Amuk Masai Hangiba complain later that to me later to talk at have to talk to inspectors in a reasonable implement out the employer do matata prosecution to the prosecution to the journey, but penalty pigani, Lupachanika, Kedamo pigani, Ahan Bachani. Kuchuman Pidri with the Pitu, Pidre, Sani, Sani Game. Putang Bangabanda is within a pigany to the B1.
Directorate of Local Fund Audit has submitted an annual audit plan report to the state government and the report is likely to be passed in the Manipur Assembly. Director of Local Audit Fund Y. Indramani Singh today told the media at the press conference organized by DIPR at Moirangkom that if the annual audit plan prepared for the first time is introduced in the state, local fund audit can be implemented successfully in the state. He said the department does not get full cooperation from non-government officers and government officers when they approach them for audit, and the department faces difficulties during audit. Director Y. Indramani maintained that if the government departments and local bodies strictly follow the suggestions and recommendations of the Directorate of Local Fund Audit, the public funds can be utilized more effectively.
na berwajib terpeganda bagi tokek bagi emen untuk plan macamnya ada plan siapa yang plan untuk bagi pusat dalam bagi kerja bani ada di aku lihat ini ada faktor kesempatan apa bagi jadi di mana tersekat apa dalam body ketika dalam lokal body ketika dalam office kan harus untuk plan macam itu dan compile kan jadi boleh dalam kerja mana jadi dah dia tahu nak bagi itu nak kerja sahaja lagi.
Local Audit Fund Auditor L. Tomcha said the Directorate has conducted 1,953 audits from 2001 and 2 to 2015-16 in non-government offices and government offices. He said they come across departments which do not maintain the relevant records properly.
Compliance rate audit compliance objection settle suspend settle action head of department audit compliance audit side compliance reminder time. Compliance order first reminder second reminder reminder 12 times compliance
Volunteers of JCILPS continue to drive against illegal migrant workers for the third day today at Awang Sekmai. JCILPS, along with representatives of Advanced Women's Society, Awang Sekmai Protection Committee, Awang Sekmai, conducted a drive in the morning. Today, they rounded up 81 migrant workers with valid documents. On the first day, they rounded up 123 migrant workers without valid documents, 147 on the second day. Of the 81 persons rounded up today, 31 did not possess any identification papers, while 50 had Aadhaar card, driving license but no labor card. Secretary of Advanced Women's Society, Awang Sekmai Thangjam Amuni, told media persons that they can round up a large number of illegal migrant workers coming to the state if they conduct a drive for 24 hours. She said they could round up many workers during the drive from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. She also appealed to people living in both the hills and valley to support a drive to protect the indigenous people.
INPC chana halaga masi Manipur gi bazar gi khaliba wakhan mayam chi khangbiraga sarkana khoigi tamakta mateng pangbiraga sumaina tawraga di akhoi yamna penjagani natana sumaina mohaina su khoigi mitop miran chasi kaudana khoigi company na su kaudana tawraga si Manipur masingda gidi laibasina yamna matam kharaga di hengalakani haibasi akhoi ju khangbangame.
Assistant Convener of JCILPS, Hayatur Rahman Kaibam, told the media that the illegal migrant workers were among the passengers brought by buses of Temple Bell, Pramodini, Kim Travels, Chingtam and JK Tourists. Some of them have come to work for Simplex Sima Power Company, while the rest have come in search of work in Manipur. He said those persons captured in the last 2 days have been handed over to Sekmai police station. He expressed concern over the government's lack of policy to send them back. Hayatur appealed to the government to frame a policy to check them. He also appealed to the people to join the drive against the illegal migrant workers.
Hariba gari sing asigi owner amadi driver singna JCILP da lakpiduna makhoi sing asibu gari maramgi purak ibano haibado marik chumba report numit nini phawgi manungda thambiragadabani thambiradawa taragadi gari sing adu makhoi da tarakpa nungai taba thodok to masa masagi daito oigadobani masigi pusilakiba Simplex Sima Power haiba company gi mari lainaba authority nasu JCILP da lakpiraga athubu matamda makhoi gi report sing adu submit tawranaba card yaudaba mayam sing adu kari maram gi pusilakpano haibada asumba report adu thambiranaba numit nini gi manungda JCILP gi site gi wafam si thamjari.
4 students who are on fast unto death at Singjamai Thongkong since yesterday demonstrated in the middle of the road near the eastern side of the Singjamai Bridge today. The protest caused serious inconveniences to the people on the road. Police yesterday arrested 4 students who were on fast unto death since July 19, and the 4 students underwent fast since yesterday. The student protesters sat in the middle of the road since early morning. As they blocked the road, engines of all kinds of vehicles were shut down and people pushed their vehicles silently on the road. They sat on the road around 10 a.m. and then moved to the waiting shed. The students who are on fast unto death are Irom Jotin Kumar of Liberal College, R.K. Sitam of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Thaucham Leonard, CC Higher Secondary School and Ningthaujam Linthoi from Lamlong Higher Secondary School. In the meantime, a large number of students of CC Higher Secondary School and UNACO School took protest rally from their respective school towards Singjomai Bridge, shouting slogans. They sat in the middle of the road and halted traffic movement on the Singjomai Bridge in the solidarity with the students who are on fast unto death. Students of both the schools also staged a sit-in in front of the 4 fasting students. Later, a police team led by SDPO Mayengbam Roni arrived at the spot and talked to the protesting students and allowed the roadblock till 2 in the afternoon. Protesters staged sit-in in various areas of Uripok today, demanding ILPS in Manipur and removal of wanted tag on Khomdram Ratan. Women held protests at Uripok Taurangbam Laikai, Gopalji Lairak Machid, Mayai Laikai and Polem Laikai by displaying placards. Veterinary Director Dr. N. Rajendra has appealed to the people not to indulge in widespread killing of pigs following the confirmation of some cases of Japanese encephalitis in Manipur. The director, along with officials of the veterinary department, today visited a pig farm owned by Gangmai Sharad Kaumai at Kaikhu in Imphal East. The director said if the pig farms are maintained neat and clean like the farm they visited at Kaikhu, the problem of Japanese encephalitis virus will not occur. He said the surroundings of the farms must be kept neat and clean to prevent mosquito breeding.
Oktadi sagi hariba virus chi machana dum yogjaba adugumba mahik amani aduga machina oktadi kogi magi symptom kari uthokpa leidi machana natural harbor wena dum lejabani adubu kang na chiulaga su mahiga se mu aduna purba kang duna mu mi se kanda adugumba tamchiblena chi chibo pawgi oktagi chandokpo weriga su koina thoidona kiningai goidi maramdi ok kudingmak hekta nabadi natte.
Principal Investigator DI Lab Dr. N. Ibotombi explained how the virus of Japanese encephalitis is transmitted by culex from pig to human. He also reiterated the need to maintain the pig farms neat and clean. He said people do not seriously consider the vaccination in pigs against diseases and stressed the need to extend cooperation among the departments concerned like medical department, forest department to control vector-borne diseases.
Ok loiraga farm tobi haiba taradi makon adu ningtijana sengdokpiba luna nana thamba akoibada leiriba napi singbi mongchong kari singsida asagi culex se kangsina makon chagan phom singse aiko amata lendana ba luna nana thambiu virus sina mu kang chiura mu kang da thajalame kang che multiply tawkra adigi mu kang na mu chiaga mu mium da sando ya te sando sinev legese ko adra masi mayam panoksi interdepartmental mayam punjalaga joint venture local kogi medical department leiriba adigi malaria ki kangmusing vector borne disease control program bi makar leiriba sing family welfare adigi public health engineering then forest department agriculture department koi punna masi changjal latade kogi laina se curb down topa ngangani.
All Manipur United Club Organization will observe the 19th Manipur Integrity Day on August 4th. Speaking to media at its office at Kwakaithel, Amuko Vice President P.H. Deban Sharma said, in the view of the prevailing situation in the state, the main observance will be held at Kwakaithel Akam Laikai Community Hall. However, people will offer tributes at the Integrity Pillar located on the eastern side of the Imphal Polo Ground. He also maintained that divisive policies of the Indian government to divide the people of Manipur have brought the state in the present situation. He said the people of Manipur are more alert and anxious following the framework agreement signed between the NSC and IM and the government of India, whose contents are not made public yet. P.H. Deban also appealed to all to participate in the observance and not to call for band or general strike on the day.
Hujiksu amuk anubada Narendra Modi ga adai NSN IM ga thoktiba Isingani tarang mangagi August ki tuhumda amuk akoi framework agreement ama sign tawnare. Hariba agreement aduda kari yaurige kari ohelakadege habisi Manipur miyamna nunangna leiba wapam amakha. Adubu amukogi maikaidagi hainingbadi hariba agreement adu NSN IM 5D Nagaland gi adum lagu wafamga mari lainabadadi ekoina kaisu hainingai leite aduna Manipur gi manungda lanchilakpa taragadi madudi ekoina yabungamoi.
BJP Manipur Pradesh today demanded the Teachers and Medical Officers Association RIMS to call off their cease work at Outpatients Department of the Premier Hospital, or else a written complaint will be sent to the Prime Minister and Union Health Minister. Tamawa RIMS called for 3-day cease work at OPD from July 21st to 23rd, demanding revocation of suspension of Dr. L. Trinity in the TH Keroda death case. Speaking to media during a road repairing at Top Khongnang Khong Laishang Them Lairak, Secretary BJP Manipur Pradesh L. Susindro said halting the normal work at a hospital is unreasonable as it gives immense inconveniences to the people, especially far-flung areas. He maintained that it is most unfortunate to cease all the works at OPD for 3 days and appealed to the association to call off the ceased work immediately.
Inquiries na takle legitimacy matam chana yang bihodabdagi leitabne na hare madui mathate inquiry tawbuni inquiry tawribasida marale di maran phangmam thoido maram se kaino doctor na mi harpagi license piyo haibase India gi constitution yaude adui mathata mi hai harpagi license piyo na hariba miyoising gi mathata akhoi chap chaba praja miyamna lokhopam thokpa action lokhotpada makhoi nu sobam thokte government gi kanaba piriba singse masi phanganbai mohotta Doctor Singh Tauriba, Makogi, Asway Basindo, Akoi, Braza, Miam, Kara Kola, Krakatang, La Romatanda, me Harpigano, Highway Matanda, me Harpagi, Ayaba, Pio Habasha, Masi, quite around the port of money.
Meanwhile, residents expressed gratitude to El Susindro for repairing Top Khongnang Khong Laisham Them Lairak, neglected by the authority for the last 9 years.
Lambi Thongjin Nala, Iram Nala Yarati, Adagi, Lambi Falakta Badagi, a Koyam Sangana, Ihoasi, Kongjang, Sansalubani, around the Gilambi Tinge, Ting Badagi, Lesang Temgi, Yai Mahaiba, Sahelo Karasina, Song Tokirakuna, Aquina Haizer, Badagi Man, Lambi Simba Bani, Adagi Akoi, Lambi Zapa, Hojagadore.
Works at RIMS OPDs will be resumed from Monday. International Peace and Social Upliftment IPSA President Ching Kai Luang announced it a press meet held at its office at Kaishampat. Ching Kai said representatives of IPSA met the RIMS authority regarding closure of OPDs. He said they urged the RIMS authority not to close down the OPDs in connection with the suspension of a doctor.
Equity government hope sanda Liberiba, Dr. Sumapamda, Sagi Magidagi, Kanba, White Tamjari, private hospital Singa, Satlaga, Lying Diriba, Masagi, Uriba, Jenim Samadi, Rinsky, Dr. Singna, private and Tawayoba, government hope sandana, Matamsana Lakitaba, Matamsana lying Bidabana Maramuduna, Laiba, Rasinda, Awabati, Pangiba, Sigin Mayukta, Equi Shana, Upshin Sinaduna, Makaru, Matichaba, Parman Lunana. A
student has been denied the opportunity to study MSc Technology at Indian School of Mines in Dhanbad, Jharkhand due to delay in declaration of results of BSc examinations by Manipur University. The student Merin Singh Angkang from Sina Kaithai Khul in Ukhrul district today told the media at Manipur Press Club that he appeared in the entrance test for admission to MSc Technology at Indian School of Mines on May 15 and was selected. He was asked to get admission by July 16th. However, he lost the opportunity as the results of the BSc 6th semester were not announced. Manipur University conducted the examination from May 17 to 20 and declared the results on July 18. He alleged that the delay in the declaration of results have deprived many students who wish to go to other universities. He also urged the Manipur University authority to declare results on time.
Results June 10 the Tokani and Oza Singapore Pire Adursu Tolokte. Adugi Upilate Bagi, affidavit Piraga, college say reading certificate Loraga Chatpani, admission to over Chatbaganda, Nangi reading certificate ka affidavit Piragadi, admission to Yaroi, mark sheet ka migration Piradi admission PBR and Hire, Manipur University na next year or coming year study result Kranga na Haidoga, exam Tharabamutung the 1 month Gimnung the Haidoga, Satra Singchi fruitful Halaga, Akoi Society, Panaba, Akoi Shinchi and Haizaning.
It's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Stay tuned.
Upon Fitness Center na sinjaba Manipur ki khwaidi ki chawba case prize oriba 6 state level transformation challenge 2016 pangchuk sergani August 3 ta preliminary round November 3 ta final round loina grand final November 22 da competition asi thaung gi manung da masagi rumba henba ma diwat pamyoi singna masagi normal weight thamduna chung firal chaba changdam na bani saruk yabiu first positions 1 lakh, second position 40,000, third position 20,000, fourth position 10,000, fifth position 5,000.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Wheelchairs and other aid were distributed to differently able persons by Imphal West ZDO Zone 1 under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. The aid was given to 69 differently abled persons. Speaking at the event, Education as Director and Praveen urged the parents not to hide their differently able children but help them in finding their hidden talents and lead a normal life. People have decided to block the road in TL Hajang Khul in More if the authority fails to repair the road by August 10th. They will block the road from TL Hajang Khul leading towards 35 kV substation and More Ward number 9. The underground cable of the 35 kV substation is laid under this road which has been flooded by rainwater. Village Secretary Thanglun Lapo said accidents occurred due to the bad condition of the roads. He said the authority concerned has been urged to repair the road but 2 months ago.
Hani kumbasi sure ekhoina request tawada lambi session dadana sum kuina leira pusida gan denjal oire duna mari leinawa department amasung Manipur sarkar na si lambi si athuba matamda simbio haina ena punisagi mihut sillaga sarkar gi taraf dagi request tawjari ngasi dagi tang August tang tara phause Manipur government amasung mari leinawa department na si lambi se khungi lambi se simbi daradi kunasina electricity 11 by 33 11 kV substation da changdawa gari makai punthing thingjelani.
Ayush Directorate, Shraddha Foundation and Youth Welfare Club Tambalkhung jointly organized a health camp at the office of Band of Hope at Tambalkhung. People were checked up at the camp and given Ayush medicines free of cost. Yoga and acupuncture demonstrations were also shown as a part of the camp. Medical Superintendent of Ayush Hospital, Dr. Salam Usha Sinha said the Ayush treatment is without side effect and it will benefit the people. She said the health camp was held to raise awareness about the treatment. Students who have passed the Functional Vocational Training FVT under the National Skill Development Corporation from DDU Kaushal Kendra, DM Community College were distributed certificates today. A documentary film on college development and a book entitled Media in Conflict Zone were also released at the event. Dr. A. Rajamani Singh, head of the Commerce Department, Manipur University, hoped that the students who have completed the course will become entrepreneurs and provide jobs to the unemployed youth of the state.
I believe that today we have started this distribution of the certificate. When you complete your diploma, advanced diploma, or the B.Voc or M.Voc, and definitely the day you will become as an entrepreneur and successful entrepreneur of the state, and you will provide a job to the unemployed educated youth of the state. And you will provide a job to the unemployed educated youth of the state.
Development Committee of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School today felicitated meritorious students of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School. Alumni of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School 1982 also represented gifts to the outstanding students at the event. The alumni of 1982 said they will extend their support to improve the quality of education in the school. All Manipur written test successful candidates of Police Constable Male 2013 has warned that they will intensify the 24-hour general strike called against a delay of the declaration of the Viva Voce results from midnight tonight. The committee, however, said AIPNT and NEET candidates, emergency services, religious events and media will be relaxed during the band. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, the committee spokesperson Mohammad Jahir Khan questioned the government's agenda for the reason for the hold rigmarole.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JSC side ki maikeidagi Manipur Sarkar da miyobi minungsiga loinana haijaningma wafam amana 10,287 candidate ki punsi bu lamangna duna chatkigidawroba punsi asidi kalhaunabagi damakta athuba matamda Manipur Sarkar amadi Home Department na namsinduna thambiraba Manipur Police Constable ase haidokpiyu haina JSC ki maikeidagi press media ki khutangda ningsingjari.
Let's take a look at the headlines once again. 1,712 interstate migrant workers with license are employed in Manipur. Labour Department issued license from 2014. Local Fund Audit Directorate does not get cooperation from government offices and NGOs during audits. JCILPS continues drive against illegal migrant workers, expressed concern at government's lack of policy to check them. And fasting students protest in the middle of the road near St. Thomas Bridge, traffic affected.